Now, the third kind of a domicile is a domicile of a operation of a law. In that first is the domicile of a minor, section 14, then domicile acquired by woman on marriage, section 15, domicile, wife's domicile during the marriage, 16, and domicile of a lunatic, 18. All these are the subtopics of domicile of a operation of a law. Third kind is the domicile by operation of a law. It is also known as domicile of a dependence. This is a domicile that deals with the people who cannot choose, they have no capacity to choose. That's why it is called a domicile of a dependence or a domicile by the operation of a law. It is the instrumentality of a law. This arises where the domicile of a person is determined by the domicile of another person. Means it depends on the another person's domicile. That's why it is called as a domicile of a dependence. This act recognized three categories of a person as a person whose domicile may be classified and determined as minor, then the person of an unsound mind means insane person, lunatics, and third is the married woman. So in this domicile of a dependence or a domicile by the operation of a law, first is minor's domicile. It is in section 14. The domicile of a minor follows the domicile of the parent from whom he derived his domicile of origin. Means the domicile of the minor comes or derives or it depends on the domicile of the parents. So now the laws has been amended, but according to the old law there was the exception for this minor's domicile. So what are the exception was that the domicile of a minor does not change with that of his parent if minor is a married, or if he or she holds any office or employment in a service of a government, or if he or she has set up any distinct business with the consent of his or her parents. This was the exception for this minor's domicile in the olden days. Means it is according to the old law, but now the laws has been amended, and as a no minor can get married because he's a minor person, and for this government jobs and for to start such a business it's necessary to become a major person. So this is an exception for this minor's domicile according to this old law, but now this concept has no exception. It is in section 14, minor's domicile.